Excellency and
President Kenyatta kere kigomoni kiu niranire gwatabania kampeni ciake na njira ya thayo hamwe na guthingatithia thayo hindi ya githuurano kinene giukite.
What we have done over the last day and a half.
Na akiranira gwatigirira kampeni cia thayo kuri aria marikia maine giake, President Kenyatta ningi ni athingatite ang'etheri a Jubilee ona gwatabania kampeni ciao na njira ya thayo.
I today therefore am making a firm commitment on my own behalf, on behalf of my fellow party members, to conduct a peaceful campaign. I urge you as KEPSA to continue engaging with some of our other colleagues so that they too may consider signing up to this pledge and, most importantly, work together with all of us towards peaceful elections.
Nigeni athingatite kamiti ya githurano IEBC na honge ingĩ cirĩ na ũigĩrĩrĩku wa gũtabania gĩthurano gũgatigĩrĩra gĩthurano kĩu nĩ gĩkinyanĩru.
And therefore we should not allow electoral violence to define our politics. Our politics must not be personality-based, but issue-based. We can disagree on issues, but this should not be the basis for personal hatred.
Ona kamiti ya IEBC niranire kwirutira gutigirira waraganu hindi ya githurano giukite. No kamiti ino niranire guthingatithia watho meharĩrĩinĩ ma githurano kinene giukite na hindi ya githurano kiu. Hamwe na maria kamiti iyo ĩtĩtithĩtie gugatigirira ni makinyanirio ni gutigirira hatirĩ session ya gũikia kura ĩgakiria aikia a kura 500.
Our own proposal initially was that we make it maybe 700 with the discretion of the commission to be able to make a decision as to whether to open up additional polling stations or not. And precisely because in certain places, even if you capped the number at 500, there might be no space for additional polling stations.
Miario ino ya Chiloba irithi kwimwe tu thutha wa kamiti ya IEBC kurekereria mutaratara wa githurano kinene giukite. Na kamiti ino ikiranira kwambika mutaratara wa kiriu kugaciria githurano kiu. Ningi nititithĩtie gukanyitana na honge ingĩ iria ni hamwe na mbuto ya borithi na mũtongoria wa thitango cia mũingĩ kugaciria gĩathĩ gĩa githurano giukite.
Our commitment as a commission is to ensure that the results that will be transmitted in the 2017 general elections will be transparent, will be secure, and will be easy to audit. Okay, so that is our commitment, be it using technology or the manual process.
Atetini ingĩ nĩ matitithĩirio mũkana wa gũcokera mũingĩ na gũtheremia mĩario ya mũku na rũmena.
We must give assurance to the citizenry of this country that what will happen is not new, has always happened for the longest period many of us would remember.
Honge ngũrani mũthĩ wa ira nĩ irorotanĩire itemi rĩa kũhukia rũmena na mũku rũhonge rwa magoti rũkĩoroterwo kũrekereria ekwĩrwo na bodi. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Macharia wa Gacũrũ.
Private sector and in civil society.